Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to produce and share an audio recording for your students. So the first thing I'm going to do is search on my computer for the Voice Recorder Trusted Windows Store app. Crack it open and you can see there's a little blue mic button in the middle. I click on that, starts recording. You can see the timer's going. The little rings are fluctuating with the intonation of my voice. When I'm done, I select stop. At which point in time, if I want to, I can review it.
Click on that, starts recording. You can see.
I can trim the audio, so I can trim a little bit off the beginning or the end. Maybe I cough or there's some awkward silence I want to cut off. I can rename the file. Right now it's just called recording. Maybe I want to give it a specific title or topic name so that I know exactly what this recording, why I made it, if I'm planning to make more than one. Once I'm done, I can close the recorder, and I'll show you where you can find this in your file folder system. Open up your file folders. When you do, select Documents, and in Documents you'll find a folder called Sound Recordings, and within it you'll find the recording that you just made and others that you've made in the past. Now what do we do with this folder? Well, this file, we want to share it on Sakai with our students. So I will open up my browser. I will navigate to Sakai. Once I'm on Sakai, I will go to the site that I want to share this on. Let's see, I'm going to share it with right in here. Okay, interesting. Random error. And now I want to go to the resources folder, and I'm going to, you can see that there's already one there from my previous. I'm just going to remove that. I'm just going to add, click on add, upload files. I can click and drag that recording over. There we are. Click on continue. And there's my recording in my resources file. Now to share it with my students, I'll go to the weekly lesson that I want to have this shared in. For example, I might be adding it in week 1. Maybe it's a week 1 welcome message. Then I'll select the add content drop-down box. I'll click on embed content on this page. I will select an existing resource, and I'll click on select for that sound recording. Click on continue. You can see I've now
In the middle, I click on that, starts recording.
Successfully embedded this audio recording in my weekly lesson, but notice it looks a little bit cumbersome how high it is, all this extra white space. So I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to change the height to 50 points. And we'll change the width to, I'm going to make this one 600 points. I'll click on update item. And you'll notice that, once the screen, must be, 6,000 points is way too big. So I'm trying to do 600 px for 600 points. Should be good. Click on update items, and there we are. You see it's nice and clean now, properly embedded. So that is how you produce, upload, and share your sound recordings with your students.